everyone, Big GT fan here, back again. We got a problem with the Territory, so we changed the battery over, and because these have a drive-by-wire throttle, well, it was running rough, so I bought a supercharged battery, and that didn't work. Then I bought this Century battery here, like it had in it, and now, apparently now, because these have an electric throttle setup, and they got a computer. They have a computer down by the, so under this pedal here, instead of having a cable, you've got a computer. So that computer has to read the memory and everything from the ECU to memorize the car. So when with these, with a Territory, BA Falcon, BF Falcon, FG Falcon, SZ Territory, always remember, guys, that when you change a battery, you have to let them run and reset, or buy the exact same battery that come out of it, or you'll have this problem. See, it's slightly missing, and it's got to find it's actually got to memorize your driving pattern, or it won't run right. Anyway, that's me for today, and I should get back to you with another video soon. Okay, the Big GT fan is out. Bye.